Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered. And right now we have another box coming from our dear friends from Italy. Now, which Italian brand is selling this or sending this out? Well, shouldn't bury the lead. Let's just go right into it. Let's open the box right away. Rip it out, rip it out. Well, maybe I should have not ripped it out because I still need to send this back. Send this back to where it came from. And as you can see, with all of these messy paper or cardboard shavings, it's coming from our dear friends from. Come on, let me show the logo. Come on, there you go. Viqueria. Again, they sent us another one, and I'm not supposed to unbox this really, but I needed something to get out. I needed a video to get out this week, so let's put this out. I'm still working on the CW review, and I don't think that's not gonna make it for this week. So let's unbox this, and I think we have already some really good stuff here. As you can see here, we have some orange tropic strap going on. Really fun. Not exactly my vibe, you know, but I kind of like this too. Now, what's this? Let me see before we look at that. Oh, okay. So they also sent the bracelet for us to work with. That's pretty neat. But I think we also have the other version of this that's already on the bracelet. So that's an extra. And here it is. There you go. Yes, this is another Trecento, but this time it comes with this really unusual Jasper dial. They said it's an ocean Jasper, and I did a little bit of research in there, and it seems to be like some sort of quartz that comes from the ocean. Okay, I've never heard of that, but I think I've seen these before in a lot of our souvenir shops here in Aruba, and it seems like these are significantly rare materials coming from the ocean. And from what I researched, this one in particular came from Madagascar, and it comes in different colors, and they chose the blue one here. Now, what makes it also unusual is that the patterns here are all natural. So I think it's kind of like the meteorite, but on the ocean and in different colors. And I think it's a lot more easier to access. It's still rare, but not as rare as meteorite, something like that. But now, does it work with this dive watch? You know, I kind of like it. Well, orange and blue are complementary colors, but not all shades work together. Here, it's a little bit of a mix of both. Now, that complementary color that I like is not exactly like these shades, but I could see that this vibrant color and this lighter shade makes a very well combination, especially if you like summery vibing watches. Okay, the bezel is still a little bit so there you go. It kind of loosened up there a little bit, and the bezel works right there. It also is, remember, this is a GMT watch, so all of the functions that you see at the rehouse, it's a 24-hour function, denotes for that the GMT hand, but at the same time it's also a dive watch, so that's that unusual combination for you. And it's a 300-meter water-resistant watch with that helium escape valve. So that's our quick review of the Trecento Ocean Jasper version, and this version will be mixed together with the meteorite version that I got a few weeks ago. So that's going to be one big review. And before we go and show you the wrist shot, this video is brought to you by Kunuku Coffee Roasters and Jeff. You know, all of the bad Jeffs, especially one of that bad Jeff that always comments on our videos, this is brought to you by him. So if you don't want this promotional section, you should blame Jeff. But if you don't want to blame someone, just buy a Kunuku Coffee Roasters coffee, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe, and you have no one to blame for that great decision of yours. Now, let's go to our wrist shot. Let's put it on our wrist. And as expected, it's going to look really big on my wrist. Okay, I already expected that. It's the same with with most Trecentos that Viqueria has sent us, but this one has a very nice and soft tropic strap. Okay, wait, that's a little bit too loose. You see, my wrist is so small that you could literally put it on the very last hole there. Hey, it's not that bad, you know. I mean, does the blue shade make it look smaller, or is it the best? Hey, but it's still just about to exceed my 6¼ inch wrist there. 6¼ inch, for those who still ask, even though I say all the time, okay? And it's a little bit too high up there, as you can see. That's a really, really thick boy. Really, really thick watch. But it's a 300-meter water resistant watch, and it's really criminally cheap or affordable. Let's not call it cheap, because it's actually pretty decent finishings there, but really affordable. So what do you think? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think before we reach the 6.5 minute mark here. And all of the interesting comments will make it into the video review. Again, this is the Viqueria Trecento GMT, and it comes now with this really cool and unusual Jasper dial.